2017 report indicated that 41 million people in the United States face food insecurity. According to the CDC, 9 out of every 10 people in the US don't receive adequate nutrition. In short, 90% of people in the US are malnourished. According to a 2020 NPR report, 19 million Americans live in food deserts. So for them, convenient access to nutrient-dense foods is limited. According to the USDA, people living in urban areas with no supermarket within 1 mile live in food deserts. People living in rural areas with no supermarket within 10 miles also live in a food desert, according to the USDA. 19% of blacks, 15% of Hispanics, and 8% of whites in the U.S. live in food deserts. Food banks are doing their best to supplement residents' food supply, but food banks are being overwhelmed by an unprecedented number of families impacted by the coronavirus. Many people living in so-called food deserts are taking matters into their own hands. Tens of thousands of Black, Hispanic, and white Americans have begun growing their own food to supplement the foods they purchase and acquire by other means. COVID-19 pandemic has taught us many things. Perhaps the most important lesson is that we cannot depend totally on others for our basic needs. I'm your Natural Mystic Medicine Man reporting for Natural Medicine News. Peace and guidance.